What's up, guys? Fantastic William back here, and it's been a little bit since I've actually done a video. Yeah, it's been a little bit since I've actually done a video. And I haven't had really anything to do. Okay, the video I'm doing today is on those, that one, and that one. Just like me playing around with them and stuff like that, and run me over. Oh, jeez! As you just run to the truck. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna be playing around with these for a little bit, and
How much did Dad did to this one?
oh, how much do you pay?
No.
Oh,
Why wasn't this one running?
that one wasn't running because we couldn't find the remote for it. So instead of going out and paying like $100 for another remote for that, we had like a big remote control diesel truck, and we took what was it called,
Circuit board?
yeah, the circuit board out of that truck and put it into that. And we used the controller from the last truck, and use it for that one. So yeah, if you ever lose a remote and because the reason why we did that instead of using a diesel truck is because somebody that we had come over and played with the truck and everything actually fell on it and broke the two wheels on the front, the two front wheels. So it didn't really work anymore, so we just took the circuit boards out of that truck and put it into that one, and so we can use the remote from the diesel truck, and it seems to work. So like here in a little bit I'll show you, if you're not too sure what we're talking about, I'll show you what we did and how we did it. We haven't had these trucks out since, I don't know, when was the last time we had them out?
Winter time?
Yeah, we haven't had these out since like, I think it was a couple years ago.
Last winter. Last winter, because remember when we played them on the ice?
Oh yeah, we used them last year and we played on the ice and stuff.
Oh look, the mud flap broke off.
Oh look, the mud flap is hanging there. Oh no. Alright, being destructive, we already cracked the truck. Oh no. There goes the garbage again. Oh, it landed. Oh man. We're making a mess. We're destroying things. Ah! Set the trash can back up. Yeah, when he ran into his truck, he actually, oh god, he hit this part and he cracked the front of the truck like that. Oh my gosh. As he takes off the mud flap.
It was optional, not you.
Yeah, it was optional. Oh man. So yeah, we're just having fun out here with the truck. I've been trying to think into how it goes. I've actually been thinking of like ideas to do, and me and my dad were brainstorming. He's like, well, let's do videos on the trucks. So we'll show you that one in a little bit, because he was running it for a little bit and he just wanted to like cool it down. And yeah.
Keep talking.
What happened to it?
Broke the rear shock off of it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Really?
Bugs are attracted to him. Preferably mosquitoes. But see guys, when he ran into his truck, the crack right here, and went all the way up.
It's a split window now. It's a,
yeah, it's a split window.
It's a split window.
Yeah.
It's it's more nostalgia.
Yeah, so it airs out the driver.
We lost the top thing too.
Uh-oh. We lost the little antenna. It was right there. I'm gonna go venture. Ah, I found it already. Right here. I have retrieved it. Oh, wait for a second hole. Wait for a second hole. Come here. Oh God. I'm not putting it back.
Drivers.
Yeah, drunk drivers. Guess I'm not putting it back in there. And so, right antenna. Right antenna is just hanging there. And hit his truck.
Maybe we'll make it into an arena truck.
Yeah, there you go. Arena truck. Oh man. This video is good so far. Whoa. Skills that pay the bills. Oh man. Yeah, if you guys want to see more of these, just let us know in the comments. Just smash that like button. And maybe we'll do more of these if you guys really like it that much. And yeah. Guys, I think this truck's getting a little tired. Getting slower and slower.
If there's more sidewall there, I wouldn't hesitate to put beadlocks in them.
Yeah. See, me and my dad were just talking because this truck kind of like died quick. This tire, like whenever you're like up against something and had the wheel spinning, the rim turns, but the tire doesn't. So it's you get that all that energy in just that rim spinning faster than the actual wheel. That's what's killing the battery faster. And if that was fixed, it'll go faster and last longer. So yeah, getting a little tired. Wait, was that mirror already gone?
Passenger side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we lost the mirror.
That was the last time you did it.
Oh yeah, I did take off the mirror.
And the light rack.
Oh yeah, I took off because there used to be like a rack here with lights, and I kind of hit something and like destroyed it. Yeah, it's having a hard time turning now. It's gonna die. Oops. It's getting tired. But, oh well, we have another one.
Fucking rims.
We have to go retrieve the truck now, because it died. Always make sure to turn it off. And what we did was, this part that the battery's sitting in, we took this off another truck and put it on here. Before this video ends, I will show you what we took out of this and what we took it out of, because I already told you guys what we took it out of, but it would just be better for me to show you and stuff like that. Now to get the real beast out. If you guys did notice, I did get a haircut because it was kind of getting out of control. So, yes, I did get a haircut. Anybody asking themselves, hey, did you get a haircut? Yes, I got a haircut. Alright, we got the other car out, and as you can tell, that's so much faster. Like 10 times faster than the other one. Whoa! That was some moves for me. But yeah, that car lasts longer because of what I explained to you guys, because it doesn't have wheel spin inside the rim, and all the power is going to the wheels itself and not just the rim. Oh, he just smashed into the trailer. Oh, yeah, I don't know, but that car is way better faster, like I said.
More expensive.
More expensive. Way more expensive. Taking out garbage can. And it stopped on a dime. Because it, like, I was standing right there, and if I wouldn't have moved, then it would have hit me. But if you do want to get one of these cars, pretty sure you can find them at Walmart, hobby stores. I do suggest going to get them. They are really cool cars, fast cars. They're actually really durable. Because he's been smashing the things ever since we came out here, and they actually use the tires pretty well. So. Yeah, I mean,
if you need help finding them, Junior will not have a problem looking for something that you are looking for.
Yeah, I won't have.
You are not sponsored by any of them.
Yeah, I'm not sponsored by any of this stuff. I'm just telling you guys this is cool stuff. You should go buy them. And if they do want to sponsor me, fine. That'd be cool. I don't think they're gonna sponsor a little channel like me. But yeah, that thing's super durable, as you can see. Oh man. Yeah, these.
Watch the road, dipshit.
Yeah, don't go into the road. But and another crap thing. Guys, by the end of this channel, I want you to count how many times he's hit the trash cans. Post down in the comments how many times. You need some assistance?
Yes, please.
Okay. You need some assistance. Go, Speed Racer! Mailbox? Mailbox. Everybody's staring.
Where?
There and next door. Smashing into your truck. And... oh my. Yeah, see? Durable. Durable. Super duper durable. I get it. It's lost connection. There we go. We are making progress. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. In the next video is gonna be a surprise, I hope. And if you did like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to go subscribe. And don't forget to be fantastic. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ow!